As of now, as I said, we are only discussing the matter, so we will wait for the decision that they take, and accordingly we'll decide.
O National President kan National People's Party waderu Myntri Rangbah Jila konrat ki sangma ka artre ujimang ulong bagaseng rang ekrem ki nongilam ka People's Democratic Front dan PDF Halor ka Pynïasoh jongki Shaka Party NPP.
I'm told that PDF is having a central executive committee meeting as we speak, or somewhere today in the evening, and then post that they will be having a general council meeting. So I think PDF leaders would be in a better position to tell you what the decision they've taken.
Habakli lada don ni em kejingkular banasuki Myntri Sarkar yaki emalik PDF ukonrat sangma ulong bayamenta kidang don tang hapan kejing keren bad hapan up ikarai kejongki nang tan sala ban simpat yaki we pakirai ban Ïathuh Kham.
As of now, as I said, we are only discussing the matter, so we will wait for the decision that they take, and accordingly we'll decide.